It is really dusty, hazy, windy, every kind of adjective you can have. Maybe I should have brought out a thesaurus. But nonetheless, it's chillier than yesterday, thanks in part to this cold front that, brought all this. You can't see downtown Midland in the background because visibility is far too low. Sustained winds, latest reading, 31 miles an hour directly from the west. Even though it says cloudy, it's more hazy than anything else. Radar itself, yeah, there might be a couple passing clouds here and there. Humidity, though, very, very low. Here's the latest reading on those gusts, up to 52-mile-per-hour gusts in Hobbs, 46 in Odessa, 48 in Big Spring. A little bit calmer toward Ozona at 29. Dryden picking it up a little bit at 43. What does that exactly mean? Well, we weren't expecting really strong winds closer to the Rio Grande. 55+ mile-per-hour gusts expected. They're under that wind advisory for the rest of this evening, while much of the Permian Basin and southeastern New Mexico and the I-20 corridor, we're under that high wind warning. Certainly something we're going to keep our eyes out for, especially because we can't see too well out there. Less than a mile of visibility out of Big Spring, under 3 miles in Snyder, under 2 miles in Midland, Odessa, and Wink, and even Carlsbad still at 1.7 miles. Western counties are going to clear out first, and then it's going to move farther and farther east as the evening progresses. All right. But these red flag warnings, unlikely to go away. If we do see them go away, they're going to be downgraded to that fire weather watch for tomorrow, but it's still hot, it's still dry, and it's still going to be windy. So don't expect them to just disappear overnight. Blowing dust advisories extending all the way from El Paso, all the way out toward Abilene and even Brady too. And this will likely extend farther out into North Texas as the evening continues. But even tonight, yes, the winds are still going to be hanging around. We can't just get rid of them that easily. I wish it was that easy. It's not. 46, that's actually right where we should be for this time of year. All right, I'll take it. What about your golfing forecast for tomorrow? It's Saturday. What are we going to be planning on doing? You can golf. It's just going to be not one of your best games when you have those gusts getting that strong. So here's what I have on your future track. Basically, cloud cover moves in, moves out, winds calm down starting early tomorrow morning. We might see a little bit of precipitation chances, maybe even a slight chance of a flurry kind of out in those high elevations. Some of it will try to push its way into the Permian Basin. I don't have high chances. I only have 10% coverage as a result of that. But let's talk about those winds, because the winds, yeah, they're going to be calming down a little bit, but those high elevations come tomorrow afternoon back up to about 30, 40, 45 miles an hour. So it's not going to be going away just that quickly. It's going to be lasting into the afternoon and evening. Luckily for the Permian Basin, we're going to be relatively in the clear. So those winds hanging around for tomorrow. Sunday, that's your clear day. That's great. Then we can do a little Irish jig, because look at that. Monday is St. Patrick's Day, but the winds are coming back into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Sean, we just can't get away from these winds.
We sure can't.